Okay, so coming in front of camera after 2 weeks or more than 2 weeks, this really feels like I'm restarting it, like I'm starting it all over again. Okay, so there were a couple of things happening with me, my health, and yeah, I think I'm from yesterday onwards, I feel that I'm a little better. So, thought of taking the risk of doing my video. Today, I'm going to do a very small haul from the brand name Gugu Bear. Now, Gugu Bear is basically a sea beauty products, makeup products, and you can really substitute this brand to Zudio. Okay, so it's very affordable. And if you now, the only thing I must say is that if you really have very sensitive skin, I would tell you to avoid. If you have quite dark skin tone, be very careful of the products that you choose if you're planning to buy, because since as you can already understand that it's mostly targeting Chinese audience, so most of their skin tone is very fair, very um, um, very kind of fair to medium skin tone. But I can say that they do have few very dark lip shades, but apart from those, their eyeshadows, their blushes are very pale shades. So be very careful if you really get tempted. Now, even I have purchased few things which I'm really scared whether it's going to complement my skin tone or not, because what I've seen, I don't know whether I'm going to get it here or not. But the main focus that I can say is the packaging. I am really looking forward to how the package looks like. Now you can already see there's no cheating going on. I had purchased from Amazon only. It's unfortunate that after buying from the Amazon, I checked their Google Bear website and I found that they had more options. But when I kind of went through the entire product list, I was like, okay, these were the things that I had to buy, and I bought those only. So it's not that I missed out anything. It's just that I wanted to purchase directly from their website, which I missed. So these are the two parcel. You can see that it's entirely, completely sealed, because I really wanted to give the reaction like in real, like package is from Google Bear. Oh, interesting. Yes, the spelling is like that, but I checked. That's exactly how they pronounce it. So- Oh, this one also from the website. I mean, from the brand directly. So they do the package in their box only. I thought that they will be having the Amazon boxes, but they are bringing, I mean, they are coming in Google Bear boxes only, and the package is quite cute, very cute. So I don't know whether it's lipstick or what. Okay, this is the lipstick. Ice cream aqua lipstick. Okay. I don't know why it didn't come together. It could have easily come in one package, but here we go. Okay, so can you guess what this is? It's an eyeshadow palette again. But let me tell you, it's the package which I couldn't resist, and that is the reason why I ended up buying it. No, I'm not talking about this package. It's the inside of it. This is Google Bear's Swan Garden Blush Liquid. Let me tell you, I have enough blushes, but their package, like you can already understand what is going to happen inside, right? So this is very Bridgerton coded. So people, those who are fan of Bridgerton, you'll have an idea what's going to happen inside. If you are aware of Sea Beauty, Flanos, Judy Doll, if I'm not wrong with the pronunciation, this is their Cloud Mist eyebrow tint. Okay, this is something which I wanted to do an experiment. That is why I have purchased. Otherwise, I had no plan in purchasing an eyebrow tint. They had mostly very light shades, and I don't want to look like a ghost, so I got the darkest shade possible. And this is the lipstick that you've already seen. Okay, so which one should I open first? This is the package. Now you must be wondering, from where did I come to know about Gugu Bear? Now this is not the first time that I purchased from this brand. Last time when I just started creating video here, it's exactly a year ago. I was really searching for very rare products which I can talk about, which hardly many people are talking of. That's when I spoke about Mila Beauty, then Dunamis, and Gugu Bear. It's just at a very, like, after ages, I found out that Gugu Bear was a Chinese brand. I couldn't resist. I couldn't resist the price and the packaging. I'm just opening all the plastic covers. This really looks like, I'm a fan of BTS, so this is reminding me of BTS albums. A very euphoric kind of a thing going on. Okay, so now what did I say? The first I'm going to start with is the blush. And blush, I guess, was one of the most attractive looking item available. Oh my god, this doesn't even look cheap. This doesn't even look cheap. Oh, this is not the red one, it is the white one. And the white one is so pretty. When I saw the red one, I thought that, oh, if I wish I could get the white one or the light pink one, because it was so pretty. But the red one looked a little tacky for me. Okay, this one is Gugu Bear Swan Garden Blush Liquid, and this is number 6. And I'm really scared about their shade, because most of the shades are actually very light. Okay, this one is looking like very kind of muddy pink. Actually, this can really work like, I don't know what. It's gonna work like, um, what is that called? Shadow, contour for me. This is a pretty different kind of a shade. I think I can work on this. This is very cool toned. It's basically on top of red. There's too much of blue tone um, happening. Blue, yellow, brown. I mean, not brown, but okay. This I can think of. I don't know where to put. But as I told you that, so why is it suddenly becoming a little pink? Anyway, let me directly put on top of my cheeks to understand what's going on. I think very fair toned people can actually do some kind of an experiment and see what's going on in here. Let's see what's going on in here. Okay, this is like very, this is working like a concealer to me. Very muddy. But this one I can do whenever I'm doing any kind of an experiment. That time only I can use, because sometimes when I need, white kind of a concealer kind of a thing, that time I think I can use this. Okay, so if this failed as a shade, then I think I have to use a different shade blush in order to look a little better. Let's see, I'm mixing two. The only thing I can say is that it's mixing well with, um, oh, you know that this one is really very purplish pinkish, but the moment it's getting mixed with the other blush, the blue tone is getting too enhanced, and this one is becoming like a pale purple. Pale purple trend was going on at some point in time, though I was never a fan of that. Okay, so basically, as a shade, it failed. But as a collector's package, do you think that I failed? I don't think so. Because I don't think I can ever, ever, ever throw a package like this. So if it would have been a red package with a better shade, I think I would have been sad because of the package. But since I got the white one, white and the pink, this is the package that I was really, really looking forward to. Like, if you see it well, you will understand. I'll try to insert a close up shot using a macro camera if possible. But this is really very pretty. I think I can, you know, refill my favorite liquid blush inside this and somehow kind of use it. But damn, the package is something I could literally die for, because I have blushes, so it's not that I'm like going crazy sad about it. But just because of the package, I think keep it in my I can keep it in my BTS collection. This is gonna look so good. Oh, and it has love written. Okay, like I hope I'm not talking too much about BTS right now. What? It's too BTS themed as well, and Bridgerton themed as well. So happy with the package, like 100% for the package. And yeah, shade. I'm not gonna talk about the shade right now. Yeah. So next. Okay, now eyeshadow I'm gonna do after this. So let's do the. This one is the shade that you've seen for this. I had purchased something very similar to that shade of the eyebrow tint. So I hope that I'm getting a very similar shade to that, because I wanted a very cool toned, very ashy kind of a eyebrow tint. Because when I do very different kind of a makeup, I wanted to do an experiment. Ooh, this one has a very fine. Yeah, okay, exactly the shade I'm talking about. It's the same shade as the blush, and I had purchased this shade only, so I'm happy with it. Because if it would have been very pink, then you imagine pink eyebrows, what's gonna happen. So why did I get this shade? Because if I want to tone down my eyebrow a little, then I can use this. Oh, today it's gonna work really well because my eyebrows are literal jungle at the moment. So can you see how my eyebrow got lightened? So there were blonde shades, there were pink. Pink means very pale light pink, and they had this grayish ash kind of a shade as well. And since I'm planning to do few very different kind of makeup looks, so I wanted to purchase this, and this is quite interesting. I think I can use this as a mascara also. um, Very different kind of a makeup, I must say. Okay, this one's package is quite simple. It's not that it's it looked like this only. When I had purchased, I had seen the package, it looked like this only. Very simple and nice. Now the next is the eyeshadow palette, and this is called the Water Wave Colorful Eyeshadow Palette, and the number is 01. The outbox is also so pretty. How can I throw these outboxes? Impossible. Where am I going to store these? No idea. I think the package should do the talking. I do not want to talk anything about it. This is how the other end looks like. It has a plastic seal. So, listen, the pricing is so affordable that even if it comes empty, I'll be happy. So do you understand what I'm trying to say? That if even if this blush was empty, I would have been happy because of the price range. It's all 300, 299. I think this was a little more than that, but Arey bhai, look at it. And let's see how it opens. I'm so scared that I don't want to ruin it. Okay, I could see it. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Oh, so this one even has a little shade, and that is the reason why it's reflecting all the more. But look at the shades. I think this was the darkest palette. Yes, you will be laughing, but yeah, because the I think the other one was very cool toned, and I didn't wanted to use too cool toned. This is also quite cool toned, but not like the other one. Look at the shimmer shades. Oh my god. I think I can create a very good Korean look using this package. So, next time, if you really want to watch me doing a proper Korean tutorial, I mean, makeup tutorial, you can drop in the comment section. Wow. So, it has three kind of those glittery shades. The only thing I would suggest that whenever you are buying any glittery eyeshadows, finish it fast because it doesn't stay for too long. So yeah, this is really amazing, and I must say the pigment is quite good. Oh, I think I can try using one. I'm not doing too much of work right now, just putting the entire thing here. And I think I just want to use this pink shade. Actually, I'm unable to like properly do makeup at the moment because um, it's just that I'm still kind of healing from my health condition. So, Koreans put it here as well, or Asian makeup as a whole. They use a lot of glittery. Uh, Listen, you don't have to do anything. Just put this in your bag and just show off in front of people. That's gonna be enough. Just, just look at it. The non-premium package, just keeping it here, and you open the drawer and you see, mon bhalo hoye jabe. Last but not the least is the lipstick. Now this one is the Ice Cream Aqua lipstick. I really wanted to use those kind of lipstick ones where you just open a little bit, and from the tip only you have to apply because it's so like melting kind of a lipstick. So oops, oh my goodness, this I had actually forgotten how the lipstick looked like. This is very similar to the eyeshadow palette, if you can see. So pretty. Look at it. Now I have no idea what the shade is. Okay, it can be pale. Oh, this one is so liquidy and glassy that it's gonna break any moment. So you just have to apply from the tip itself. Oh, this one is not that. Oh, oh. Okay, I get the concept. it's like those glaze. I'm still backward when it comes to, understanding what the item might look like. Very medicine kind of a smell. I think I can do a fabulous no makeup look with all the products that I've bought. Oh my, I, you know that you can easily compare it with lip balms, but this is not lip balm. Okay, this result doesn't come with a lip balm, because lip balms can get very tacky, or lip oils, lip gloss can become very tacky. This is such an amazing substitute to lip gloss, because it just stays in place with not too much of tackiness going on, like lines happening when you just, press your lips together. Nothing like that. But this is not like those pH lipsticks, also. Okay. This is, should I compare it with those MAC ones, which was, those jelly kind of a lip gloss, which they come with? Oh my god. I mean, you don't want to put a lipstick, you don't want to look basic using lip balm. You just put this, and somewhat my two-toned lip is getting covered. I don't know how to explain this, but I think I love it. Okay, now with that, if I just put a mascara, I think it's gonna look fabulous. I was really planning to purchase what are those called? Those press-on eye. What are those called? Eyelashes. Because the amount of eyelashes Google Bear has, like, let me tell you, boys will also get easily attracted to the packaging. And the variety of eyelashes they have in the website, I was really getting so, like, how many times I added in the cart and I deleted it because I didn't want to, waste my money on that. I, like, I'm not saving money, but still, like, I can buy something else apart from that, so I didn't. I think I need to buy a good mascara. Like, if you can suggest a good mascara, do let me know, because I've been using this for a year now, I guess. I just realized that I'm using this for a year. Better change it. Suggest me really good ones, because my eyelashes just doesn't stand. It's so stubborn. It just sleeps. It just doesn't want to stand. Okay. I'm not even trying to be technical today, using a brush to remove it or spoolie to remove it. I'm just not in the correct um, form. But I can say that this eyebrow tint is fun, okay? And this one didn't become very, stiff also. It's very, it's very soft, and it's just stuck like that. It's very natural. If you touch it, it's very natural. Okay, so out of everything, if you talk about which is your favorite products, I can say that Close My Eyes, everything apart from the shade of the blush, but the package is the winner of apart from everything that I bought. This package, I mean, I'm so confused. I don't know. If you watch this video completely, do let me know which one's package really, really made you, your hands itch to go and purchase it. Of course, you don't have to buy it. I'm just saying that it really felt like you really felt like it's it's an art, which really made you feel like it's an art of a product. So, was it the blush? Was it the lipstick? Or was it the eyeshadow palette? Do let me know. And yeah, I think I'm done. Okay. So, I hope you enjoyed today's video. See you again next time. Bye bye.